Welcome back to Speed Society. Today we're diving into one of the biggest and boldest cruisers you'll ever see, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. This machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A massive V-twin, commanding road presence, and that unmistakable Vulcan DNA that riders all over the world respect. We're talking raw power, classic cruiser styling, and a ride that feels like pure freedom on two wheels. If you've been looking for a bike that blends muscle with comfort, the Vulcan 2000 might just be the ultimate heavyweight cruiser. So stick around as we break down what makes this beast stand out in 2025. The legacy of 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. The Kawasaki Vulcan series has always been about delivering uncompromising power with a bold, unmistakable presence. The Vulcan 2000, in particular, has been a favorite among riders who crave a machine that balances brute force with refined cruising capability. The 2025 model continues this tradition but elevates it with modern engineering, cutting-edge technology, and a design that turns heads wherever it goes. Kawasaki has listened to riders' feedback, refining every aspect to ensure this isn't just another cruiser, it's a statement. With decades of Vulcan heritage behind it, the 2025 edition stands as a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to excellence in the big-bore cruiser segment. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is a masterpiece of muscular aesthetics and sleek detailing. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the bike exudes dominance with its low-slung profile, stretched-out wheelbase, and aggressive stance. The fuel tank is broad and sculpted, flowing seamlessly into a deeply contoured seat designed for long-haul comfort. Chrome accents highlight key components, from the exhaust headers to the handlebars, giving it a premium, polished look. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern touch to its classic cruiser silhouette. Every curve and angle has been meticulously crafted to ensure the Vulcan 2000 looks as powerful as it feels. Whether parked or in motion, this machine commands respect. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Vulcan 2000 lies a monstrous 2053 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, delivering relentless torque and thunderous power. This air-cooled beast is tuned for low-end grunt, ensuring explosive acceleration from a standstill and effortless cruising at highway speeds. The fuel injection system has been optimized for smoother throttle response, eliminating any hesitation when you twist the grip. The dual exhaust not only amplifies the deep, rumbling growl but also enhances performance with improved airflow. Whether you're carving through city streets or eating up miles on the interstate, the Vulcan 2000's engine ensures you're always in control with an abundance of power on tap. Technology and features. Kawasaki has equipped the 2025 Vulcan 2000 with a suite of modern technologies to enhance both safety and riding pleasure. The full-color TFT display provides crisp, easy-to-read information, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and ride modes. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to sync their smartphones for navigation and music control. Advanced rider aids such as traction control and ABS ensure stability even in less-than-ideal road conditions. The keyless ignition system adds convenience, while the adjustable suspension lets riders fine-tune their setup for optimal comfort. These features prove that the Vulcan 2000 isn't just about raw power, it's about a smarter, more connected riding experience. Handling and comfort. Despite its massive size, the 2025 Vulcan 2000 handles with surprising agility. The frame geometry is designed to provide stability at high speeds while remaining manageable in tight corners. The seat is plush and ergonomically shaped, reducing fatigue on long rides. The foot pegs are positioned to allow a relaxed riding posture, and the handlebars are set at just the right height for effortless control. The suspension absorbs bumps with ease, making even rough roads feel smooth. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the Vulcan 2000 ensures a comfortable and confidence-inspiring ride. Riding experience. Swinging a leg over the 2025 Vulcan 2000 is an experience like no other. The moment the engine roars to life, you feel the raw energy beneath you. Acceleration is immediate, with the V-twin delivering relentless power at every twist of the throttle. The exhaust note is deep and authoritative, announcing your presence long before you arrive. On the open road, the bike settles into a steady, vibration-free cruise, making long-distance rides a pleasure. The combination of commanding power, precise handling, and rider-focused ergonomics creates an intoxicating experience that keeps you coming back for more. Upgrades over previous models. Kawasaki hasn't just rehashed the old Vulcan, they've made significant upgrades for 2025. The engine now features revised mapping for smoother power delivery, while the chassis has been tweaked for better weight distribution. The inclusion of a TFT display and Bluetooth connectivity brings the bike into the modern era. Suspension adjustments are now more accessible, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup without tools. The exhaust system has been redesigned for a richer sound and improved performance. These refinements make the 2025 Vulcan 2000 the most advanced and rider-friendly iteration yet. Who is this for? The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is built for riders who demand power, presence, and prestige. It's ideal for experienced cruisers who want a bike that can dominate both city streets and highways with equal authority. Touring enthusiasts will appreciate its long-distance comfort, while performance seekers will love its explosive acceleration. Pricing and availability. With its premium features and powerhouse performance, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 sits at the higher end of the cruiser market. Pricing starts at $19,999 for the base model, with optional upgrades and custom color schemes available at additional cost. Final thoughts. And that wraps up our look at the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000, a true legend in the cruiser world that continues to prove why it's one of the most respected big-bore bikes out there. With its massive presence, unmatched torque, and unmistakable design, this is a motorcycle built for riders who want to own the road. What do you think? Does the new Vulcan 2000 still hold the crown among heavyweight cruisers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Speed Society, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews, news, and deep dives into the world of cars and bikes. Thanks for riding with us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.